Angela Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine, and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4 inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright but gentle on the eyes LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too. These great built-in features on the PQ1500 SL from Brother and the included accessories will have you off and sewing in no time.
This Singer sewing machine has 23 built-in stitches, including essential or basic stitches, decorative stitches, stretch stitches, as well as an automatic one-step buttonhole. Stretch stitches are especially useful for sewing today's knit fabrics. You can also combine stitches to embellish garments, crafts, and home decorating projects.
The incredibly versatile Brother CS 6000i sewing and quilting machine offers so many features and accessories, all at a very affordable price. It boasts 60 built-in, utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, each with multiple stitch functions, an oversized table for large sewing and quilting projects, and a hard cover. Included are super wide 7mm zigzag and decorative stitches. And sew fleece, elastic, and other stretchy fabrics with the built-in stretch stitches too. This model comes complete with 10 quick change sewing and quilting feet and a quilt guide. The quick change lever makes it incredibly easy to swap feet. There are 8 styles of one-step auto-size buttonhole stitches that are automatically sized to fit your specific buttons. The included button sewing foot assists with the easy attachment of buttons. You'll love using extra large workspace created with the wide table for larger projects. The table slides on and off so quickly, and its legs are sturdy, giving you stability. Quilters also love that this machine allows them to drop the feed dogs to do free motion quilting. It comes with a selection of quilting feet, including a walking foot that's not often found on models in this price range. You'll find that the LCD screen is almost like having a personal sewing guide. If you're using the automatic buttonhole function and you happen to set it incorrectly, an error message appears on the screen and prevents you from making a mistake. It also tells you which foot to use, removing all the guesswork. The variable speed control and stop-start button allow you extra control when sewing. Enjoy the flatbed free-arm convertible sewing surface, very useful when sewing hems, cuffs, and sleeves. The advanced Easy Needle threading system allows your needle to be threaded with the touch of a lever. The exclusive Brother Quick Set top-load bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. The see-through cover helps you keep track of your bobbin thread. Thread cutters are found on the bobbin winder, quick set bobbin case, and on the machine side. The included hard case provides added protection when traveling or storing your machine. Plus, you'll love how easy the bilingual instructions are. Enjoy all the great built-in features, included accessories, and Brother support with the versatile CS6000i from Brother. Start sewing right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set, top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701 from Brother.
This Singer sewing machine's inner frame is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use.
Welcome to the Owner's Class video for the Singer Heavy Duty Model 4411 sewing machine. In this video, we are going to go over what you need to know to get started, such as winding a bobbin, threading the needle, selecting a stitch, changing the needle, and more. Let's start by taking a tour of the machine. The first thing we're going to do is plug in the machine and turn it on. And you'll know the machine is on when the light comes on. We have the hand wheel, the bobbin winding stopper, the bobbin winding spindle, the handle, the spool pin where we'll put our thread, the stitch width dial to adjust the width of our stitches, the needle position dial, the tension dial to fine-tune the look of our stitches, the bobbin winding tension discs, a metal threading guide, another metal guide, and here's the take-up lever. This will be really important when we thread the top of the machine. On the front we have the reverse lever to sew in reverse, the stitch length dial to adjust the length of our stitch, the stitch selector dial, and by the needle, we have the all-purpose foot and the presser foot lifter to raise and lower our presser foot. Here we have the bobbin holder with a bobbin already inside. And we can take off the removable storage compartment to expose our free arm. And that's really great for sewing small circular projects like pants hems and cuffs. Behind the free arm is the drop feed lever. You can move that lever to drop your feed teeth, and that is especially useful for sewing on buttons and free motion quilting. We can open our removable storage compartment to reveal our included accessories. These include some bobbins, needles, a spool cap, and some additional presser feet. Let's take a closer look at those presser feet. In addition to the all-purpose foot that comes on your machine, you get a buttonhole foot, used for sewing buttonholes, a button sewing foot, used for sewing on buttons, and a zipper foot, used for inserting zippers, and it can also be used for inserting piping.
This Singer sewing machine features a heavy-duty metal frame. The inner frame of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use. In addition, the machine's stainless steel bed plate provides for smooth fabric feeding. It also helps prevent scratches on the machine surface while sewing.